So I don't think I've ever done this before. I don't even know what the title of this video is gonna be yet. Typically, I set out to make a video. I'm like, this is what I'm doing, this is the concept, this is the title, boom, boom, boom. This time, no clue. Each one of these items that I'm gonna show you here right now is pretty unique, and I just wanna show them to you all at the same time. I've got some clothing, a new clothing drop that released today by me. Very excited to show it to you real quick. I've got some New Balance sneakers that I found at the outlet that I haven't even seen anyone with. I don't even know if they actually came out. An absolute find. Some Jordans that I don't really care about too much. I care about them, but you might not care about them as much. They came out a few weeks ago. Just want to include them in this video real quick. You've seen them. Take like 30 seconds. I have a second pair of New Balance that are unreleased. They haven't even dropped yet. So 2 New Balance bangers in this video. Is that all I have? I think that's all I have. If I think of something else to throw in here, I've got something else. I already know what it is. I'll throw it in here real quick, but mashup style video, let's do it. Okay, first up, I've got a clothing drop from my own line, the Win collection. This is the Win Athletics tennis collection, and this just dropped today. And I owe you guys an apology because typically, or not typically, I used to release my clothing via YouTube first. And then I would have to go take pictures. And then I would have to post on Instagram. And then I would have to upload them to the website. And I do this all myself, mind you. For the sake of time, I would just post on Instagram first because as soon as everything was done, I wanted to put it out, just immediately let you guys be able to pick it up. And Instagram is just the quickest way to do that. However, I've got time today to include it in this video. There are certainly some t-shirts still left. It just dropped like 2 hours ago. Hopefully not everything's sold out. Anyway, here are the t-shirts, both absolutely fire. I'm so happy with how these things turned out. I saw an older gentleman wearing like this vintage tennis club t-shirt. I was like, dude, I need to make something like that. He was literally in passing and I was just staring at his shirt. He probably didn't even know what he had on. And that sparked this graphic. I love how the green just pops there. It says athletics. On the front of the shirt, kept it pretty basic and simple with the Win script logo there. I haven't done a t-shirt with a graphic on the back. I haven't done any shirt with a graphic on the back. I needed to do something like this before the summer ended, and this one is kind of like the statement shirt, I'd say, and then this one is a little bit more subtle. There's only a single tennis racket and then a different font. The front, same thing, script logo on the left chest, and to go with this t-shirt, I've got a hat that I'm wearing. This is done in a Carolina blue corduroy. This is super nice, really good quality, embroidered on the left side there with the Win script logo and then the tennis racket. Not taking this off my head for a while. This is gonna be my go-to hat. And then of course, we got some Umbros in the mix to go with this t-shirt. These are the Brazil colors. Got this really popping green with that classic checkerboard Umbro pattern. You got my Win logo on the right side there with the tennis racket, and there are 2 pockets. So this stuff is available right now. You can check down in the description. It'll be the link to my website. Again, as I'm making this, the stuff is available. If it's not, I'm sorry. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because that's where I post first. I also posted on Twitter. I'm at Eddie Win Kicks. Give me a follow over there. Let's keep this moving, but really excited for this stuff. Thank you to anyone that has already picked it up. You guys seem to be really liking these collections. I'm hyped to make them. And this fall, okay, next up, these New Balance. These are fire. These are actually, no, these are ice cold. These 992s in golden yellow or mustard. Look at these absolute gems right here. We've seen a good amount of 992s released recently. Not in this colorway. These have not dropped yet. I don't know when they're coming out. And the story behind how I got these is simply a favor from a friend at the brand. He looked out. Joe, thank you very much, man. Like, you know how much these mean to me. I lit up. I'm just so hyped with these. Very nice gift. I really appreciate it. This is actually my first pair of 992s. I tried to get the grays when they dropped. Didn't happen. I love it when there's a bold color on like an old dad shoe or something like this. This type of colorway on a chunky model like this 992, just the clash of the two is so cool, man. These are gonna go pretty well together with the t-shirt. Perfect. Okay, and before we get into the New Balance that I found at the outlet, I got a quick unboxing. And when I say quick, I'm gonna be super brief with this because, you know, I kind of feel like if you have Jordans You got to show them within the first like couple days if it's going to be an unboxing. If not, better be an on feet or how to style video, or what I'm doing right now. It's like a 30-second feature, if that. You know, I don't mean to just brush these off. I obviously bought them. I'm super excited for them. And they are a pair of Jordan 6s K54. What you know about it? Dude, nice leather on here. Wow. People didn't like these. Well, I didn't see people liking them. There was no hype, certainly. And that's okay with me. I'm at the point in my life. What am I talking about? This is just sneakers. I'm at the point in my sneaker purchasing career. That doesn't make sense either. I'm at the point of consumerism that doesn't. As someone that likes sneakers, I am at the point of doing so where I don't care what other people are buying or if a shoe is hyped or not. I really don't. Like, I truly buy a shoe based off looks, how I'm gonna style it, etc. And I'm gonna get some fits off with these things, man. Trust me. Oh, Nike Air in the back of this one? I didn't even know that. Cool. I don't know why more people didn't like these. I absolutely love this pattern. Like I said, brief. We are moving on. Delaying the New Balance even further. How about a jersey pickup? A quick jersey pickup. I've been buying Mitchell & Ness jerseys like crazy. This one just showed up. The practice jerseys? Come on, man. They're great. I need a hanger. I don't have a hanger, but forgive me, you see it. Shaq Diesel. This thing just caught my eye because it's reversible. I love the idea of a reversible jersey, and these have been on sale. I got this for like 60 bucks. I'll try to link it for you if I can still find it. This is the All-Star version on the inside, and then obviously the Orlando Magic on the outside. So, I don't know. I'm still hitting the beach. Around me, the beaches are open, and you're able to hit those up safely. I'm always wearing a jersey to the beach. Let me know if you guys have copped any jerseys this summer. I don't know why, but I've just been more into them recently. Anyway though, let's get into this pair of New Balance that I don't know much about. Some of you guys, probably a majority of you guys, haven't even seen these. This is something I got at the outlet, like I said, and when I go to the New Balance outlet, and most outlets in general, I'm there for under 2 minutes. I walk right to the back. I survey the scene and I can just spot it. I'm like, that's a pair, or this is nothing. But especially in the New Balance outlet, because I look for those Made in USA boxes, this one was hiding in plain sight. It had a little something to it. Grabbed it and was just staring at the shoe like, I've never seen these. What's up with these? So this is the New Balance 574 Sport Flight Path. So here's the deal, and here's what I know. For one, I know that I've never seen anybody wear these. I've never seen a YouTube video on them. And that's kind of common with a lot of New Balance because they're not as hyped as everything else. But this shoe right here is certainly unique for a New Balance shoe. For one, it's all leather. Typically, there's some mesh or suede up in the mix. Not on these guys right here. They come with a bag of ends. The New Balance logo can be switched out. You've got Velcro patches on each side. I know that Ronnie Feig did a 574 Sport, a Kith collab. That's the only shoe I know of where they had something like this. And each one of these Velcro patches has a different city on it. So you got Shanghai, you got London, you got New York City, and wow, this is a really dope shoe. I love when there's versatility like this. This is better than a lace swap, in my opinion, because you can essentially change the look of the entire shoe. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was super random. If you want to cop any Wing Collection stuff, down in the description. Make sure you hit that like for me. Leave that like for me, you know, just cause I know this was a mashup of content, but still hit that like. Subscribe if this is your first time checking out one of my videos. It's probably not. No one's like searching for mashup sneaker content. And yeah, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you guys. I'll catch you next time. Peace.